Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best makeup brush sets and kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Set. The Real Techniques Essentials Set is a versatile makeup brush kit that includes 5 essential brushes and a blending sponge. This set is perfect for creating a flawless base and applying your everyday makeup. The RT400 Blush Brush and RT300 Deluxe Crease Brush are great for applying blush and eyeshadow, while the RT402 Setting Brush is perfect for setting powder and highlighter. The RT200 Expert Face Brush is ideal for applying foundation and concealer. The set also includes the RT Miracle Complexion Sponge, which has a unique 3-point precision application design for a seamless and dewy finish. With its lightweight aluminum ferrules and soft synthetic bristles, this set provides a comfortable and precise makeup application. Plus, it is 100% cruelty-free, latex-free, and vegan, making it a great choice for conscious beauty lovers. Moving on, at number 4, we have the docolor 8PCS Glitter Makeup Brush Set with Holder. The docolor glitter brush set offers a fun and stylish experience with its sparkling glitter handles and matching holder, making it a great gift for makeup enthusiasts. This set includes all the essential brushes you need for a complete makeup look, such as those for foundation, contour, eyeshadow, and eyebrows, ensuring you can easily apply every product with precision. The vegan synthetic bristles provide a smooth and gentle touch, perfect for use with powders, liquids, and creams without harming animals. Plus, the durable design with a sturdy aluminum ferrule and lightweight handles gives you a comfortable grip and reliable control during application. At number 3, we have the EcoTools Start the Day Beautifully Brush Set. The EcoTools brush set is designed to help you create beautiful makeup looks effortlessly. This set includes essential brushes for eyeshadow, blush, concealer, and foundation, making it versatile for all your makeup applications. The travel-friendly case allows you to easily take your brushes wherever you go, ensuring you're always prepared for touch-ups. Crafted with eco-friendly materials like bamboo and synthetic hair, these brushes are not only effective but also align with your values of sustainability. You'll love how these tools enhance your makeup routine while being kind to the planet. At number 2, we have the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Brush Set. The Real Techniques brush set is designed to help you achieve a flawless makeup look. This set includes 4 versatile brushes and 2 sponges, perfect for applying everything from foundation to blush. You can easily blend and set your makeup with these high-quality tools. The makeup sponges work seamlessly with liquid and cream products, ensuring an even finish. Additionally, the brushes feature soft, synthetic bristles that are easy to clean, making your makeup routine more convenient. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this set has everything you need for stunning results. And finally, at number 1, we have the Laura Geller Zo5 Full Face Vegan Brush Set. The Laura Geller brush set includes 5 professional quality vegan brushes designed to help you easily create a full makeup look. This set features specific brushes for blush, bronzer, foundation, and eyeshadow, making it perfect for applying liquid, cream, or powder products. The brushes have soft bristles that resist shedding, so you won't have to worry about mess or wasted product. Plus, the retractable kabuki brush is travel-friendly, allowing you to touch up your makeup on the go. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this set offers versatility and convenience for everyday use or special occasions. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.